Here's how to add a two-level numbered list in GraFx Studio. This text uses the description paragraph style. Open BrandKit in GraFx Studio and locate the description paragraph style. Then click the edit icon and go to the numbered list tab. Under level, select 1 and choose a format as well as a symbol. You can also select a left indent and a text indent. Then, under level, select 2. Same thing, choose a format and a symbol. Close the window, select your level 1 text and head over to the Properties panel. Under Text, click the More Options icon and click the Numbered List icon. Then, select your level 2 text and go back to the Properties panel. Under Text, click the More Options icon and click the Numbered List icon. Now, click the Increase Indent icon to display your level 2 selection. Repeat if needed. And that's it. If you'd like to customize your numbered list settings, just reopen the paragraph style and go to the numbered list tab.